I'm using my homemade play clay to make a frog. So I'm going to take, let's see, I need enough for the hind legs, and then I need some for the head, and I need some for the front legs. So I'm just sectioning it out so I don't run out by the time I get done. I think I saved enough for each part. I'm going to roll it around to bring in all the bumpy edges and smooth it out. This is the baking soda and cornstarch recipe that's listed below. So you can make it yourself nice and easily. This will be the abdomen, okay? And then this is going to be the legs. I'm going to take this and roll it back and forth. I like to taper it down at the end. So the thighs are going to be in the middle here. And then I taper it out to the feet. There we go. Right? Do you see how that's going to look like a thigh? Doesn't that look like a drumstick? So I'm going to bend it a little bit. And then flatten the feet. And this is just a bent up paper clip. I'm going to cut the toes out. Cut, separate, define. And define. There we go. So that's a leg. And do the next one. Flatten out that foot. And cut the toes, separate and define them. There we go. Sometimes it helps to stick your tongue out while you're doing these little fine details. There we are. There's his legs. And then, let's see, this is plenty for arms, so I'll roll this out. I gave myself too much for the arms. Don't need that much. I always like to roll my legs and arms together because then you have it very consistent, the same size all across, and then when you split it in half, you have two similar sized appendages, limbs. Cut the toes, fingers. What are they really on a frog? I don't know. I'll have to ask my boys later. They know these things. All right. And again, just using that paper clip to separate it so I can get in there and point them out. And press it together. The cool thing with this clay is that you just kind of push it together gently and it typically stays. With earthenware clay, you certainly want to score and slip. Use the wire brush, scratch and wet each surface that you're attaching. Okay, now I'm going to roll this head around. Roll, head will roll. Pat it in and press that on. Okay, eyeballs. Big, googly, weird eyeballs. Cartoony eyeballs. So you're probably realizing by now I'm not doing a realistic rendition of a frog. I'm doing more of a cartoony rendition of a frog. And if you haven't realized that, get back to your book learning and look up some pictures of frogs. Okay, here we go. Oops, stay there, eyeball. Hate it when the frogs are missing an eye. Makes me wonder about the water. Okay. Hee. And the other eye. Okay. Maybe a silly grin. And a little white tummy. Just a little oval that I flattened out. Move your hands over. And press that on. I just press it gently. I don't smooth it in or anything because then I can change my mind and take all the clay parts apart and still have separate colors. So he could be, oh, hiding his eyes. Oh, he's so shy. He's so embarrassed. All right. Thanks for watching.